Hi there, students. Abrupt. Abrupt is an adjective, yeah? Abruptly, the adverb. And I guess abruptness, the noun for the quality. Okay, the first major meaning of abrupt is something that's sudden and usually unexpected and often unpleasant. So an abrupt change, a sudden large change, an abrupt movement. The car jerked abruptly to a halt, suddenly. The meeting came to an abrupt end when the fire alarm went out. Yeah? Okay, abrupt. If you say that somebody is abrupt, you're saying they're using too few words. They're being rude and unfriendly. Yeah? He's very abrupt with clients. He's very abrupt with people. Yeah? He's rude and unfriendly. He's got the idea of brusque, yeah, or brusque, being unpleasant, not saying very much to someone. So abrupt. Okay, the slope was abrupt, an abrupt slope, very steep. Okay, the slope or the height changes very abruptly. Okay, so abrupt, sudden and unexpected. Yeah. There was an abrupt change in his attitude when I said that I was going to pay him. Yeah, he was extremely abrupt with me, and I didn't like the way he treated me. Maybe somebody has an abrupt style of writing, something that's a bit disjointed. It doesn't flow very well. Yeah, it's rather jerky or disconnected. And then a steep slope, an abrupt slope. Yeah, a sharp slope. Okay, so abrupt. Sudden changes, to come to an abrupt stop, to do an abrupt turn, an abrupt decision. Yeah? An abrupt transition. It's not smooth, it's jerky, and that's why his writing style is abrupt. Yeah? To be abrupt, to be rude and unceremonious, to be short. He gave me a very abrupt reply. Yeah? He's not the most pleasant, the most polite of people. He's always rather abrupt. Yeah? His abrupt departure, it came to an abrupt ending. There was an abrupt increase in prices. Yeah, an abrupt termination of the meeting, an abrupt ending. Okay, it's sudden and really rather unpleasant. Yeah, his beautiful world came to an abrupt end when fire burnt down the house. Yeah. So the Prime Minister's abrupt departure leads questions about what was behind that. Yeah, abrupt, sudden, short, all of a sudden. Yeah, he stopped abruptly and looked at me. Don't be rude. Don't be so abrupt. Explain things. Explain what you mean. So abrupt, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. Yeah, his abruptness made me angry. Yeah, and then as to origin, this comes from Latin, from abruptus, broken off, away from, and rumpo, to break. So to break away from. So it breaks away from what it's doing. It changes very suddenly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Abrupt, abruptly, abruptness.